Hi, it's Yvonne here. If you don't follow me already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, all that jazz, and follow me on my selling platforms. I usually go to the thrift stores, the artos, garatos, and I look for items that I could either resell or keep for myself. Usually it's handbags, accessories, and some other nostalgic things, whatever. Just randomness. Just go check me out. I resell on eBay and on Poshmark under @Orihita or EJTAGRL. I'm also on Instagram under Luxury Handbag Cheapskate. So if you want to check me out on there, just go ahead and check me out on there because that is where I am at. And today I'm coming at you with a unboxing from my favorite place. Uh, oh, okay, hold on. I have my cat in here with me and she's causing havoc. Let's go ahead and meet Cookie. This is Cookie. Say hi, Cookie. This is Cookie. She's just causing havoc in here, wants to go everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and let Cookie out the door because I think she wants to leave. So, okay. Bye, Cookie. Okay, so yeah, goodbye to Cookie. Yeah, she's 5 months old. I adopted her from the shelter, so she's my little one, my little pet. But yeah, so follow me on there if you don't already. But today I'm coming at you with an unboxing for one of my favorite places, and that is. Can you tell I'm even wearing the shirt, but the shirt's blinded out with the light. It is from Whataburger. That is my favorite, all-time favorite place to get a hamburger. Whataburger, Pure Honey. I'm wearing my Pure Honey shirt today for the unboxing because it's like that epic. And yeah, so well, anyway, Whataburger was doing this like Instagram giveaway. And I was very excited. I was just like, oh my gosh, if I could win, that would be great. So I've been entering a lot of Instagram giveaways recently. So it is what it is. I've just been like on Instagram a lot entering stuff. And guess what? I won. So I was very excited because a lot of people won. I don't think it was just me. There were several boxes shipped out. But this is what I won. Look at this. This is epic. This is epic. This box is epic. Look at that. Okay, so I already opened it, but I haven't seen what's inside. So this is for their new WhataWings. If you don't know, Whataburger came out with WhataWings. And they're like just pretty much little breaded chicken pieces, and then they toss them in sauce if you want. Or they give you the sauce on the side, whatever you choose. Because they do it the way you want it, right? And they're at Whataburger. And you can get them with, I believe, barbecue. There's like I want to say it's a sweet and sour or something like that. There's like several, I don't know, there's like several sauces that they have at Whataburger. I'm not going to get to all of them, but you can go look them up yourself if you have one in your area. But if you don't have one in your area, well, I kind of feel bad for you because like Whataburger is the best. And I love Whataburger, okay? I literally love Whataburger. I hate a lot of Whataburger, and honestly, Whataburger, just throwing it out there, if you want to bring back the chorizo burger, I wouldn't be mad at you. I wouldn't be mad at you because that is my ultimate all-time favorite burger that you had on the menu. I don't remember how many of those I ate when you had them on the menu, but I ate quite a bit of those. They probably gained me a few pounds, but they were my favorite. So, Whataburger, you want to bring them back? Just bring them back. I know that there's a lot of social media buzz, especially with the chorizo burger. Every time somebody mentions it on any like platform, you know, and says, "Oh, what would Whataburger bring back?" Or somebody mentions, for example, this. I think somebody mentioned the WhataWings before they came out, and everybody was like, "I need to bring back the chorizo burger," and I was like, I second the chorizo burger. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Bootleg Foodery also wants a chorizo burger back. So, You know, bring it back, bring it back. He's on TikTok. If you don't follow him already, follow him for food reviews. He's great. He's awesome. But yeah. So anyway, I won this box from Whataburger. And like I said, I'm always there. I have a lot of Whataburger items in my collection. They're all thrifted. This shirt was thrifted because, well, you know, I didn't go to Whataburger and buy it on the website, but you can. I don't think they make this one anymore, but you can go on there and see what they have. They have a lot of stuff. The things that I would like to get from there would probably be the tumbler with the handle and the patches, the Lululemon-like belt bag that they came out with, and just about a lot of other stuff. I do have 2 of the Magellan tops, which again were thrifted. I got those at a very good deal. Somebody just sold them to me at a very good deal. So if I haven't shown those in the video, they'll be coming up in the video, but I got those at a steal. And so yeah, but my favorite order from there would probably be the bacon, since you don't bring back the cheeseburger, it has to be the bacon cheeseburger with lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, the cream pepper sauce. Yeah, hands down, on Texas toast, of course, because how else would you get it with a sweet tea? That would be my perfect order. So yeah, so I think I go a lot with my neighbor. We like going to Whataburger and getting our fix. So yeah, so let's see what I got. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I couldn't believe that I won. I was just like, oh my gosh, I won. And so yeah. And I do have a lot of Whataburger items, and I'm also going to be decorating my tree Whataburger. But that'll be coming up soon in the video. I'll probably do a video on it. It's my little Christmas tree. I'm going to decorate it Whataburger. So I haven't done it yet, but I will be doing that eventually. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. 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 I am so excited for what I got right now. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I cannot even show you. Let me see. Let me see if I can show you without it like falling over. And I can kind of show you what I got. Ugh. It's white though, so you won't be able to really see it, but there it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. So the first thing is Shake Them Wings sticker. Oh. Hello. Yes. Love stickers. A WhataWings sticker with a little chicken on it. OMG. Look at that. I love that too. I love that too. I love these. I love these. I love these. Because I'm going to put these up here because, oh my gosh, those are going to be like epic. Okay. I'm having a slight, like a little excitement thing here. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is my size. This is completely my size. Look at this. It is a pullover hoodie, and it says Buffalo on it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It says Buffalo on it. Looks like a king, like a little kind of king over here on the side. I think it's supposed to be I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a king. Kind of reminds me of the Stussy logo. Anybody remember the Stussy brand? Yeah, that was like a brand back in the day. If you know, you know. And you had to buy it. It was kind of pricey, but everybody had to have it. And I actually found, okay, little kind of side note, I found a Stussy bag one time at the mall. I went and somebody left it behind. I picked it up and it was a Stussy shirt inside. So that was my Stussy shirt. I wore it, I don't know, till it pretty much faded out. Look at the WhataWings though. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute. Absolutely love this. Oh my god, I will be wearing this a lot. This is like epic. Yes, I will be wearing that a lot. So I'm gonna put that right there. Oh, stop. I cannot right now. I literally cannot right now with this. They send me leg warmers. They send me Whataburger logo leg warmers. Well, not leg warmers. Whataburger logo track pants, whatever. Jogging pants. I can't even speak. I'm so excited. Look at that. They're jogging pants. They're Whataburger jogging pants. Absolutely yes. Yes, with the little gathered feet. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love these. I love these. Oh my gosh, epic. I love Whataburger, and I love anything Whataburger, so these are like my favorite. I'm not seeing a coupon though. I kind of wish I would have seen a coupon for free Whataburger wings, but that's okay. That's okay, Whataburger. It's alright. I am seeing 2 more stickers. Look at that. WhataWings. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then look at this one. WhataWings, you so saucy. Gosh. Yes, I love everything. The leg warmers, since I just gifted in the video, and of course my hoodie that I will be wearing a lot. I can guarantee you, this is gonna be like my yes, I will be wearing this. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Whataburger. Thank you so much, Whataburger, for everything you send me. I absolutely love everything. I am like superly excited for all this stuff. I do wish that they would have sent me a gift card or just a coupon for the free WhataWings, but that's okay. I already tried them. They were delicious. I tried them because my neighbor bought me a coupon from her work. They actually like gave them to them because they are by Whataburger where they work, so they, I guess, go and they give them to them. So that was kind of cool. But yeah, thank you Whataburger for what you send me. So if you want to send me, like, I don't know, maybe the 40-ounce tumbler with the handle, or you want to send me some stickers, some more stickers, or you want to send me, I don't know, anything, send me. All right, I'll see you in the next video.